Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and Arez Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2011 Kia Cerato. The customer have a key that can actually start the car, but the remote is not working. Now I don't know the frequency of the remote, and I couldn't actually get the FCC ID, so I decided to generate another remote, which I'm going to use. I didn't cut the blade. I just wanted to program the remote first, and when it works I'll go and cut the blade and program the chip so that I can start the car. As you can see, no response, but I can actually start the car. So start the programming process for the remote. It's a 2009, so we'll go for this. Blade key. There's the no status scan and see what I have in the system. This I cannot communicate with ECU. Okay. So maybe it doesn't have that. Let's see. Okay, let's check the remote system. I don't know. Go for remote. Go for remote learning. Turn on the ignition and then off. No, the instrument screen is black, and pull the key out. Stop. Yes, it didn't accept this remote, so now I have to generate another one. Program failed. I will try again. Turn ignition on, then off. So I'll have to generate another remote. So we'll get another frequency. We'll generate another remote and we will try to program this now. So remote learning. Turn the ignition on, then off. still didn't work. Okay. I'm going to do a manual selection. I'm going to do Cerato. This is a plate key. 2009 to 2013. I go to the remote system. Go to remote learning. So I'm going to turn the ignition off, wait for a few seconds, put the key out, wait for a few seconds, and press the lock button. Now it has programmed. Program succeed. Do you like to do the next one? No. Program completed. So actually it's working. So now that I've programmed it, I'll go cut the key, then program the key. I'll go and cut the plate. Then we'll have the key done. Please stay tuned. So I'm done cutting the blade. But I will need to program it because I discovered that this particular start. This is Azar and Arez Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Thank you.